Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today is part 2 of the Michaels grab bag $10 boxes. I'm opening 2 of them. Oh, if you hadn't caught the first one, you might want to go look at it because we're going to go through these as quick as I can. So much fun, so much craft goodness. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, so in this box we have felt sheets. There's 15 sheets, $7.99. I got a couple of those in red and a set in green. We also have some more felt. These are, well, it's 100% polyester is what it says. Felt shapes. They're wreath-shaped, 18 pieces of wreath-shaped material. These would be great for a school project. What did it say? $4.99 each. I got 2 sets of those. I got some more of the clear discs, 8 pieces of clear plastic discs to make ornaments out of, $12.99 a piece in the store. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those in this box. I got another storybook cookie cutter set. 12 cookie cutters come in the set, and it has the sugar cookie recipe on the inside. This is a $19.99 is what you would have got charged in the store for that. I've got some more loose cookie cutters around here. I've got a reindeer, a snowman, and an ornament. Very cute. Then I've got some of these push button cookie cutters. This one is a stocking. You push it to get the dough out. And this one is Santa Claus. You push it to get the dough out. Very cute. I have no idea how much these would cost. They're just separate. There's a stocking one, a red stocking one. And now I've got, it looks like I have a bunch of hooks. Ornament hooks. Large ornament hooks, $2.99. Small ornament hooks, $2.99. Some more small ornament hooks. Some more small ornament hooks. These are the melting bead kits. Oh my goodness, everything went tumbling down. $2.99 each for a wreath. These are cute. I used to love doing these when I was a kid. That's 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. These are some larger. These are glass. These are glass. Those thin glass ornaments. These $6.99 for the 4 of those. I'm glad they didn't break. Another pom-pom Santa set. He would cost $4.99. This is a sun catcher kit with the little reindeer. How very cute is he? Oh, it looks like I got a whole bunch of pine cones, decorative pine cones. These are normally $6.99 a piece, and they smell like Christmas. Oh, I didn't mention that in the last video, but they do. They smell like Christmas. This one's got some little white ones in there. Alright, so that's 5 of those. Look at this. Hey, Miss Bonnie. I don't know if y'all saw her or not. She just went right on through. Christmas DIY plastic ornaments. These are white. This is $24.99 is what it would be sold in the store for. It's 20 white, thin plastic ornaments. Some more hooks. What is this? Decorative ornament lens. I don't know what that is. Santa cam. So do you tape it on the ornament? I don't know. Y'all are going to have to tell me about that one. $2.99. Some more hangers. Clothespin ornament kit. Oh, these are so cute when they're on the tree. I love the old style clothespins. Another bead wreath set. A sun catcher with a snow globe. Let it snow. Another melty bead thingamybobby. Some more of the old-fashioned clothespin. This is a sewing ornament kit, and where you get your kids to sew it together. $4.99. Actually, I've got 4 of those. And then a snowflake cookie cutter, a Christmas tree cookie cutter, a snowman, a gingerbread man, an ornament, another snowman, another ornament. I got plenty of cookie cutters, y'all. I'm gonna have to have a cookie making party at my house. A Christmas tree. Another one of the push button ones. These are $2.99 each. And another Santa Claus. These are interesting looking hooks. Ornamental hooks. There's 12 in here. It's $4.99. Look at those. Those are very cute. Very decorative, cute little hooks. And this is assorted sequins, like a Christmas confetti. Very cute. We love putting the confetti in the cards. That's adorable. I love that. All right, so that was all in one box, all for $10. My goodness. If you have the room to store this stuff until next season, you could resell it. You could keep it and have the kids do it. You know, so many options, so much fun. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, y'all. I'll probably gift a lot of it. I might try to resell some of it next year if I get in that mood. But more than likely, we're just never going to need hooks again for the ornaments. That is too funny. Crafts, maybe for the church. How much are these ornaments? $2.49 a piece for these cookie cutters. Somebody tell me what this thing is. I'm very curious about it. I don't know. All right, last box. Oh my goodness, my legs are giving out on me. Oh, I forgot that. We're in the last box now, y'all. And look at these. These bows, these one-piece Christmas decorative bows. They normally cost, how much do they normally cost? $16.99. And yeah, I like this one. It's got a little white in it. Very cute. They'd be great on wreaths. Great to hang on the front door, on your mailbox, wherever you wanted to hang them. I've got a lot in the black and white. Very cute. I even put them on my Christmas tree sometimes. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. This is a light up glider. $8.99. We used to love these things. There's little foam airplane gliders. And my dad would put them together and he'd go out and throw them, or we would throw them, and this one lights up. How fun is that? The junior cameraman is going to have a blast. So some more LED crafting lights. They are battery operated. They're on a 6-hour timer. Cool white LED lights. There's 8 lights in there. I got a couple of those. Another bow. Very cute. Look at this choo-choo train ribbon. $12.99. Adorable. For 20 feet. I got a lot of ribbon in here, y'all. So some black and white. Plenty of black and white. Plenty of black and white ribbon. What am I ever going to do with all this ribbon? Oh, this one is cute. Look at that with the little reindeer. Adorable. This one says fa la la. Very cute. Little snowflakes. Some more lights. These are gold. 2 more of those. I'll have plenty of those Christmas lights. Another little black and white. Happy Valentine's Day. The little stickies that you put on your window. I love those. A light up tree topper. A snowflake. My camera went on. I mean, my computer. I was like, uh-oh. I think it's still recording. A light up tree topper, 15 clear lights with 30 inches of green lead cord. It's beautiful. It's white snowflake. I love that. Godiva, Belgium, 1926 chocolate cookie Cupid house kit. I mean, who wants to make the house? Let's just eat the kit. Oh my good gracious. And look, it's got the instructions on the back. This was in store. How much did it cost in store? I do not see the price tag. I do not know. Probably more than $20. But yeah, very cute. And I've got 2 of those, by the way. And the last 2 things in here, y'all, I'm getting hot. There are 2 more Christmas tree toppers, light tree toppers, 10 lights with 24 inches of lead cord. Very lovely. They're both the same, but oh my goodness. So I got 3 tree toppers in this one. And the Godiva chocolate, and the ribbon, and the airplane for 10 bucks. I think these are so fun. These are so fun, and I can't wait for Bestie to come over and help me figure out what we're going to do with all this stuff. If we're going to pack it away for next year, what we're going to do. You know, one of these boxes was hers, and she just told me, she's like, go ahead and open it. Do video opening it, and then we'll just pick through. And I was like, that works for me. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of Michael's $10 grab bag boxes, mystery boxes. Y'all, I'd really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is free, and it means the world to me. Don't forget to share with your friends. Press the notification bell. And if you want to donate to the cause, which is revamping this room, there are 2 ways to do that. You can press the super thanks down below, which is like tipping the YouTube, or you can go to buymeacoffee.com. I'm under Unboxed by G. You can tip me that way too. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.